CNN on a normal day, the Houston Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals gets 25 to 30 calls reporting animal cruelty. But since winter storms have pummeled Texas with power and water outages, that number has spiked to around 150 per day. The organization told the neglect is already there. Julie Kuenstle, Houston SPCA Vice President of Communications. But these extreme and now deadly temperatures exacerbate the situation. 10 Houston SPCA investigators, with the help of local law enforcement, have been preparing for the consequences of the freeze since before temperatures fell, announcing last Saturday they'd keep a watchful eye on outdoor. But even this did not prepare the organization for the volume of cases to come. Read more on Monday. The Houston SPCA investigation team responded to a report of 6 dogs left outside an auto body shop. One dog was dead and covered in snow, another was alive but emaciated. The 5 living dogs were taken to the Houston SPCA campus where they were immediately seen by a veterinary team. A dog is found outside of a Houston auto body shop in freezing temperatures. The area where the dogs were found registered at 18. These are the devastating consequences that can happen if you leave your pet outside, Kuenstle said. Because we never see 18 degrees. On Wednesday, the investigative team responded to reports of a senior dog abandoned outside for several days. The water in the dog's bowl was entirely frozen, and the blankets inside his doghouse were soaked. The SPCA's disaster response work is just beginning. Now that we are warming up, now is when our work is really going to start, Kuenstle. That's what usually happens with a disaster. The SPCA, a nonprofit, relies on the local community not only for its funding but also for Natalie Parsons, an animal cruelty investigator, tends to a dog rescued by the Houston SPCA. We rely on the community's eyes and ears to report animal cruelty and help us save lives, Kuenstle said. Once temperatures rise and more community members are outside, she said she expects even more cruelty cases to